So, for today's adventure, we installed a fountain in my front yard. Turns out the fountain that we bought on Facebook Marketplace for $100 is by Al's Garden Art. Say hi to Max. So the fountain is by Al's Garden Art, and apparently these fountains, this fellow must be kind of famous because the fountains start around $3,000. So I think I got a bargain. So enjoy the show. Now let me move. You support that?
Hang on a second. Let's get stable. Move your chairs.
I thought we would just go straight out.
Now we're going to spin this on here.
Oh, okay. I know what you're talking about.
Then we'll go out. We got room. I like to get it low and then bring it up. So we'll hold that. There we go. More centered. Too easy for it to get away from us. Drag it. No. Right on. Ready.
I know what you want to do. Well,
I'm gonna have to spin it when I get over here.
okay.
These aren't the wheels for dirt.
No, they're not.
As close as we can.
Let's spin it. Let's spin the card around first. There we go.
Oh, it ain't gonna go. All right.
Come on.
Let's just do it. Let's go.
All right, hold on. All right, there's the cord. Ready?
We want this side out that way.
No.
You want it on this side?
Yes.
Okay.
Because I thought the cord would go underneath. Or
Any-
if I'm going to put the solar over there, then leave it in the back because then the cord's not out in front of the thing.
Okay, that works.
Ready?
Yep.
Yeah, that's not even close to.
Nope. Needs to go this way.
Yep.
All right.
Stand by.
Take a second.
It has to come out this way about
Yeah.
a half an inch.
And then this way.
Ready?
Yep. Take a look. That looks pretty good. How's it look for the center? Here's the center. Actually, a little bit back.
No, it's got to come back this way because,
Yeah.
look,
We're way over here.
yeah, so it's got to come back about,
This way and about that way.
yeah,
All right.
so about an inch or so.
Yeah, not quite. There. Your side go out. Take it out. You're not square. A little more. There you go. Now a little bit back here. About there. Pretty easy if you do one side at a time.
Yeah. Oh, it looks like it's got to go this way an eighth of an inch. I'm not being anal, but I can see it.
Well, it's, yeah, real close to that. Your lines are lined up though. So your two nubs here, they're pretty much lined up on those. Just a little bit.
They're not
over.
in the front.
Doesn't mean this is all square either though.
Right.
So which side do you want it on?
If we go that way about an eighth of an inch, because it looks to me like it's a quarter of an inch out.
Yeah, because your paint is over the edge and not all the way over on that side. Here, you see? This here is giving you that
I'm not
vision.
looking at that side. I'm looking at this side right here.
Right,
So look at this and look at this.
And there's the edge. Not much of an edge, but yeah, there's an edge.
So let's go that way just in. That's too much.
The slide's pretty good on there.
Yeah, it does. Let me do it.
What do you think? Man, it looks like you're way over on this side here compared to this side, but maybe not.
How's that look?
It needs to come this way towards us. If you come over here, you're over about an inch. So about a half inch your way. Whoops. Straight.
Hold on.
Oh, it was there.
There. Oh yeah. Yeah, absolutely.
Get rid of that stick out of the
Oh yeah. Ready to step? Step. Yeah.
pretty well lined. I get in front, line it up. Right there.
Yep. That's what I was about to say. It seems to me there's grooves that it sits
Yep.
in. That's what I was going to ask. We want to go in first.
Oh yeah. You're bumping that hose. Okay. Pick this in here and turn it this one side. Ready? Now, sit it up.
I know exactly what you're doing here.
I got it. There we go. Now you can set that wherever you need to in a bit. Probably needs to go that way a little bit, I think. Yeah.
right above where the stick would have been.
Yep. Well, what do you think? Looks pretty good to me.
Yep, it does.
Go ahead and glue these in. You got the clamps there.